It's my face again. It's chapter 10, Kjakt Adje. And now we get to work with a couple of verbs to see what more or less normal verb constructions are in all the different persons in the present tense. Now, there are two types of verbs, and they give you one from each category. You don't see so much of a difference in the present tense, but you'll see more of a difference later on. And they follow certain patterns, so you have to learn the patterns, and that's what this chapter is about. So actually, they give you two verbs of each type. They only give you the paradigm for one of them uh, in each column. So brishim, with an attached ending, I break. Uh, kurim, I put. Okay, and then the rest of them, kurin tu, kurin she, kurin she. Kurimij, a combined form for we, like we've seen before. Kurin shiv, kurin shiad. And then the negative is ni churim. Ni puts a lenition. And then the question is an gurim, which puts an eclipsis. And they follow the rest of the pattern exactly the same way. Togum, I take, and dunum, they follow the same pattern as well. Togum, togan tu, togan she, togan she, togamij, togan shiv, togan shiat, nihogum, nihogamij, so forth and so on. Andogum. So, I mean, probably you don't say you take very often in the present tense, but it's good to learn the paradigm. And these are just a couple of verbs. So you learn these patterns. Most of them are just adding the pronoun after the verb. Just the first person forms have an attached ending, and they're the same attached endings we've seen many times before. And that's what this chapter is about. Practice.